With the arrival of iOS 18, Apple introduced a new feature that allows users to customize the home screen appearance by changing the size of app icons. This option is especially useful for those who prefer a larger and more organized app layout. In this video, we will show you how to enable large app icons on your iPhone, enhancing your visual experience and everyday use of the device. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss my new tutorials. So, at the very beginning, go to the home screen, tap and hold on any empty space until the icons start to wiggle. This is how you enter edit mode. Then, right at the top left corner of the screen, you'll see the edit button. Tap on it. Next, in the menu that appears, select the customize option. Once you do that, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see options to customize the icon appearance. Here you'll find the large option. Tap on it to increase the size of app icons on your home screen. After selecting large, the icons will become bigger, but keep in mind that app names will no longer be displayed below the icons. This look is perfect for those who prefer a minimalist and clean home screen design. You can choose between light, dark, automatic, and tinted options for the icon background style. You also have the option to adjust the brightness and tone of the background using the sun icon, allowing you to customize it to your liking and lighting conditions. When you're done, simply tap anywhere on the home screen and your changes will be saved automatically. Now you can see that the icons are larger and easier to find and use. If you want, you can always revert the settings to the previous look or further adjust the size and style of the icons to suit your needs. And that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like, share the video, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.